Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of After the Wear. Today's unboxing of kicks will be a sneakers app exclusive created just for Russell Westbrook. I mean, this silhouette from the Why Not Zer0.3, I think by far trumps all the shoes that he's made out there. Just because of the packaging and because of the details, man, this makes this shoe like one of the best shoes that he's ever made. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. All right guys, so first things first, when I was watching through my window, the FedEx guy coming, up to deliver this package, I was just like, wait, what did I order and what is that? Because the box it came in is this huge. I'm gonna just open it already for you guys. So, man, this is crazy. So, the first thing that comes to mind is like Mattel and like the creator of like toys and stuff like that. Also like Nerf guns. And I thought that this was pretty dope. So as you guys see right here, the packaging like kills it. And you can see like hints of like how like it could remind you of pretty much Mattel and stuff like that, just by it saying like new right here. And then, yeah, so it almost kind of reminds me of like a Nerf gun. It also reminds me of the KD like Nerfs or the KD Weathermans and the packaging that came in. So here you have it. You have the Splash Zones personal edition Jordan Why Not Zer0.3 made by Russell Westbrook. So if you guys see this or end up buying a pair, just make sure that, this right here is packaged like very well. I mean, they didn't market it very well, which I think was nice because it was easy for me to pick up a pair. I mean, but these things sold out, and I'm always attracted to, items that are packaged nicely. In the past, I have, a pair of Nike SB Dunks, the special packaging made by the Lobsters or Concepts, and that came in like special packaging, which is something that like you hold on to. Anyways, yeah, so this retailed for $170. This is a size 10.5. So you can see on the very top, you're gonna have the barcode and the label right there. So I just love the way that it's like packaged. You get your, your Jumpman here. You have the Russell Westbrook icon right here. It says Splash. No batteries required, ages 0 through 99. And on the bottom, you have all that Nike gibberish like that boxes have. Here in the back, you have the whole entire shoe that's kind of like in a comic or a cartoon print. It says Russell Westbrook. It has a shoe, and then WNZ.3, Why Not Zer0.3, unlimited range, high power action. Basically, that right there shows or describes Russell Westbrook's great game on the court. So I haven't opened it. I don't think I'm gonna open it. I mean, these things are awesome, so I can't really say that I'm gonna go into detail on the shoe and tell you like how I'm gonna wear it or how I'm gonna But I think these are just gonna stay there in the box. It's cool that it has little droplets that are on the shoe, and hopefully I can show you guys that those droplets on the toe box. But yeah, if you guys ever get a pair, or if you guys bought a pair, I definitely would hold on to these right now. I mean, they were going for like $700, and they dropped, like when everybody got their pair, it dropped down to like $300 on StockX. Personally, I'm gonna hold on to these. So yeah, there you have it. The Why Not Zer0.3 Splash Zone created a personal edition by Russell Westbrook. So if you guys have any questions, I can't really tell you too much on how they fit, how to style them. I mean, these are a pair of shoes to ball in. And yeah, I wouldn't be able to give you any more detail on that. What I can give you guys detail are on the specs and how big it is and things like that. So if you have any questions in regards to that, do reach out, leave them in the comment box. And yeah, if you guys found this, very informative, entertaining, subscribe, hit the notification button. Yeah, so we'll catch you guys after the wear.